The Philippines is now the top banana exporter in Asia and the second biggest in the world. The Philippines banana industry is an industry where they have proven that the Philippines can be the best in the world. They have been recognized as one of the most efficient banana producing countries, offering the highest quality standard in terms of taste and aesthetic appearance. These bananas thrive best in the southern island of Mindanao, blessed with vast rich land, even rainfall, abundant sunlight, excellent water, and gentle wind. Mindanao is most ideal for growing these delicious and nutritious breakfast staple. The golden banana as we know today begins its life here, at the tissue culture laboratory. Carefully selected planting materials are propagated under strictly hygienic lab conditions. The reasons why they do tissue culture in their bananas is that first they wanted to mass propagate their bananas. Second is that they wanted to produce uniform growth of their bananas. And the third one is that they wanted to produce disease-free planting materials. Cutting-edge research has given the Cavendish variety that distinctive naturally Philippines taste. After about 6 months in the laboratory and 8 weeks in the nursery, the grown planting materials are ready to planted in the field. Since a large part of Mindanao is waterlogged, the banana producers had to innovate and plant the seedlings on top of platform mounds. PBGEA member producers also strictly comply with biosecurity and phytosanitary requirements to control any infestation. They must go through designated food paths and tire dips. While drones are being considered by some growers, these days, aerial spraying remains an economically viable crop protection measure. Air spray application of fungicides is important because it is the most efficient and effective method of controlling black sigatoka, disease of bananas. Agricultural aircraft used in aerial spraying are now equipped with Global Positioning System (GPS) that allows it safe, precise and pinpoint aerial application of pest control solutions. PBGEA members assures their customers that the bananas they buy can trace back to the farm where it came from. Each country where they serve or they deliver their quality bananas has its own set of MRL. And that is very important to be understood by each and every exporter. "10 to 12 weeks on the field after bagging, the mature bananas are harvested. These are cleaned and carefully inspected and selected, making sure that only the best Philippines Cavendish bananas get to export market. These golden sweet produce are loaded onto climate-controlled shipping containers through their final destinations to consumers all over the world, who continue to enjoy that distinct sweet custardy taste of Philippines Cavendish. PBGEA member companies have propagated Panama disease-tolerant Cavendish varieties. Unifruti has gained headway in reducing TR4 Panama disease tropical race 4 infestation with the use of chlorinated water for irrigation. This procedure has allowed the company to reverse what could have wiped out one of its farms in Bukidnon. These innovations are for research a testament to the fact that the Philippines remains the world's second biggest banana exporter. PBGEA members have also helped diversify market offerings. TriStar offers premium-priced, less chemical bananas to buyers in Japan. Their bananas are known as friendly bananas in Japan, friendly because they are friendly to consumers as they eat bananas that are grown using unique firm practices wherein they guarantee that no synthetic chemicals come in contact with the fruit. Unifruti is also putting up a 1,000 hectares banana plantation in Lomitan City, Basilan, a component province of the Bangsamoro Autonomous Region of Muslim Mindanao. The importance of Cavendish exports to the Philippines, its economy cannot be ignored. Banana is down the #1 and most important agricultural export product of the Philippines. The banana growers in the Philippines also strictly observed at the voluntary code of good practices on decent work in the banana industry. The Philippines Banana Growers and Exporters Association is supportive of the campaign of the government to regularize workers in society and the dispensable operations in the farm. The companies have also taken steps to help its agrarian reform beneficiaries improve their conditions. In addition to donating home lots to the agrarian reform beneficiaries in their areas, the companies are also paying annual lease or rental charges for the use of land to grow bananas as well as other benefits. The PBGEA sees opportunities for industry players and a role in improving the condition of not only its workers and the company but the nation as a whole. The fact that the industry's production takes place in a region with a long history of conflict and is home to the country's poorest provinces. This underscores the importance of the banana industry in nation building and forging peace through economic development which is inclusive and sustainable.